So in today's video, I am back with another review for y'all. Y'all already know. Okay, so this one is another one from Diva Tress. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get right on into it. It's the one that I'm wearing right now. It is a model artist human hair master mix lace front wig. The style is AT-212. And the color that I have on is SOP Honey BR. So like I said, this means, you know, honey brown, I guess. That's just kind of what it looks like to me. Let me go ahead and say the some other colors that it comes in are 1B, 2, 4, BO, 1B, 6, 27. I'm gonna skip like BO part and just like say the numbers. 1B GRA, 2202, 2203, 2204, 4340, SOP Copper, SOP Honey BR, which is the one that I have. Here are a few more pictures of a few more colors that it comes in. Hopefully y'all can see that well. So yeah, it looks like we got like some like fuchsia purpley type of colors, and then a few more of like these brown type of colors, I guess, with like different highlights and undertones. But yeah, this is really cute. I was actually like really impressed with the packaging that it came in. This is the packaging right here. Well, this is the back of it, but that's pretty much like how it looks. I think that that's really cute. I've been really into like the whole like rainbow multicolored sort of things. I've been into a lot of things like with that sort of vibe lately, so I thought that this was really cute. There's actually this outfit that I bought from work that I really want to wear with this hair now that I'm like looking at it. But yeah, and then the card was also like really cute too, like model girl, you know what I'm saying? I'm liking this packaging. I'm liking it. I've had a few model wigs and hair units before, but this is like my favorite packaging that they've had that I've seen so far, and I just think it's really cute. So yeah, of course the washing instructions are on the inside of the little pamphlet, you know. Oh, hey, look, there's even more colors. Then maybe all of the colors actually, except for like the normal one would be. So yeah, it's good that they have, you know, pictures of different colors of this wig on the card, just in case like you wanted to try like another color in this wig, because you know it's cute, it's popping. So yeah, so that's actually just really cute. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the style of this wig. So I really like the style of this wig. It does come with a part. This is the part that it came with right here. This is the natural part, but personally this right here is just not my style. It doesn't look bad at all. It just isn't really it doesn't really suit me. Like, it's I don't know, it just doesn't really suit me that well, so I'm just like, you know, let me go ahead and do the good old flip over and boom. So yeah, it is a lace front wig, so I immediately thought like, okay, let's go ahead and do that, because you know it's what I like to do. Yeah, I thought that it was really cute. It kind of gives you like sort of like a messy, careless, but like a couple day old curled hair or something. Like you had like a like you got your hair done, but then it's like, you know, on its third day or whatever. I think that it's really cute, so I was like, yes, give it to me, give it to me. And I feel like that this look is like very versatile. You could do like a lot of different styles with this look. It's not, you know, too crazy, too wild, but it's like different. Like, you know, like if you go out, you know, people will think, oh, like, oh, her hair is really cute, you know. So especially like with a little touch of color or whatever, I usually get those type of compliments or whatever whenever I wear colored units. It's like, oh, you know, hey, your hair is really cute. I'm like, thanks. I really like that. I do think that I'll probably get some compliments with this wig. I work in retail, so that's just sort of what that is about. I come in there with all different types of hair, so yeah, this is really freaking cute. I really like it. Kind of reminds me of some sort of like celebrity's hair or something. It does have combs. It has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back. It has adjustable straps. I did have to cut off some lace. I'm only getting like minimal shedding. I'm not getting like a lot of shedding at all. Tangling, I'm not really getting any tangling right now either. I don't think I'll get much like crazy tangling in the future either, just because like the type of curls that these are, like I don't know, and just sort of like the texture of the hair, it doesn't feel like it'll tangle super crazily on me, or even, you know, get matted too much. And it's not like super packed at all either. Like I don't feel super hot in it right now. I mean, my living room is probably like the coolest room in my house, but right now I feel fine. And I feel like if I go outside, I'll still be okay. If you're subscribed to me, you already know I talk about how hot I get all the time. I get hot very easily when I have hair packed around my neck and like, you know, my kitchen area. You know, I get hot very easily and kind of like sort of claustrophobic with that type of stuff. So yeah, like I feel like this is like a very well made wig when it comes to like the density of it, because it's full, it looks great, the volume is bomb, but I'm not hot right now, so I feel good. I'm wearing like this big t-shirt and I also have a shirt on up under it too, so I think I'll be fine in this unit. It'll kind of be like another alternative to like another wig that I wear. Hand movements. It'll kind of be like another alternative to another wig that I wear almost every day. It's like a curly afro unit and it's pretty good. But this one's, you know, I want to show off my makeup, and you know, I did some stuff with my face and I'm just kind of like, you know, I don't know. I can't explain it, but yeah, I just really like this wig. I feel like it's very it complements my face very well, and it's doing a lot for me right now. You know, I can do a lot of things with it, so loving that. So yeah, she cute, she bomb, she popping. I like her. She's just doing a lot for me right now. She's really doing some things for me. Okay, did I already talk about shedding? Yeah, so I wasn't really getting much shedding, not really much tangling. The luster of the wig, it's not shiny at all. It looks very natural. Oh, the color also, I would say that the roots in like the top half is probably like a 1. It's not a 1B at all. I think it's definitely a 1. It looks jet black to me. And then, you know, obviously it goes into that like honey browns shade that they describe in the color of the wig, and that's definitely exactly how I would describe it as well. It looks like a honey brown. It's not blonde at all. It's definitely a brown, and it's not like a dark brown at all either. It's like honey. It's like honey brown. You know. Anyway, my battery is flashing at me right now, so I can't talk that much longer. And yeah, so that's pretty much all I needed to say. Anyway, if y'all have any questions, make sure you comment down below. Make sure you check out Diva Tress as well. Y'all already know they got bomb wigs on their website. If you're looking for some different styles, check them out. Check them out. Yeah, and all the direct link will be down below, and all the information will be down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye.
Hey now, baby. Oh mama, don't play now, baby. Hey now, baby. So let's go on the train now, baby. Tell me if you love me now, love me now, love me now. House on you, I'm lucky now, lucky now, lucky now. You gotta tell me if you love me now, love me now, love me now. I'm wishing for you, I'm lucky now, lucky now, lucky now. Wishing for you. Wishing for you.